Good morning, class. We now have tablets for learning. But before we start, who here has used a tablet for studying?
I only know how to play games, but I don't know how to use it for math and science.
Me too, ma'am. I'm having a hard time because no one has taught us how to use it.
Ma'am, me too. I am having hard time to my tablet and making project.
Miss Flores, we have many tablets but neither the student nor teachers are fully trained. Maybe we can request an ICT training session for the teachers and also for the students.
You're right, Teacher Judilyn. The Department of Education has policies on ICT integration. Let's organize teacher training workshop and also create a peer-to-peer learning programs so students can help each other.
Hello class, today I will teach you the basics of using your tablets. First, how to open and use learning apps. Second, how to safely search for lessons online. And third, how to use the tablets to create projects.
That's wonderful and we'll apply this right away. For our science lesson, you will research about climate change and then create a digital poster. This way, we are not only learning from books but also using technology to address real-world problems.